Gusto is a randomized phase 2 trial. It's currently recruiting patients in the UK, and it's in the setting of neoadjuvant treatments for muscle-invasive bladder cancer in patients that are due to go on and have a radical cystectomy. So the problems we have in this setting at the moment is that we know that a proportion of patients will respond to chemotherapy, and that's a standard treatment. It improves survival. But some patients will not get benefit and probably are simply having toxicity that isn't warranted. Although it's still an experimental approach, you can say the same about immunotherapy. Some people definitely respond and benefit, but there are also side effects, and there are people who have cancers that are resistant. So we have data from gene expression subtyping experiments that suggest that there are subtypes we can identify that will allow us to understand, at least experimentally, who might benefit, who is resistant, and therefore allow us to think about selecting the right patient for the right treatment. So in this study, there's a control arm where everyone gets standard treatment, chemotherapy, and in the experimental arm, the gene expression subtype selected patients are allocated on the basis of their subtype, either to the combination of chemotherapy and immunotherapy, or immunotherapy alone, or in a group of patients that we predict will be resistant to both treatments, that they go direct to surgery and we don't waste time before we get to that point. It's a phase 2 study, it's recruiting at the moment, and we hope to have results in probably 2 to 3 years' time.